Do not eat this anymore. You are already warned. Most of us always have ketchup in the fridge, since we put ketchup on the sandwiches, hot dogs, fries, etc. Unfortunately, only a few are aware of the effects of this seasoning. Apparently, our favorite seasoning contains much more than a healthy dose of tomato. If you take a bottle of Heinz ketchup and check its ingredients, you will read the following: tomato concentrate of ripe red tomatoes, distilled vinegar, high fructose corn syrup or sugar, corn syrup, sugar again, spices, onion powder, natural aroma. First of all, do not you think it's strange that our ketchup contains a double dose of sugar? The terms high fructose corn syrup and corn syrup are just fancy names for sugar. In addition, the law requires that the ingredients are listed according to their quantity, that is, the weight, in the product, from the highest to the lowest. However, if we combine the amounts of corn syrup and high fructose corn syrup, we can easily see that sugar should be the second on the list. This made Mr. East Coastman do a little experiment that gave amazing effects. He filled a typical 1.3-liter bottle of Heinz ketchup with the actual amount of sugar it has, and had 33 tablespoons of sugar. In addition, 2 tablespoons of this ketchup contain 2 teaspoons of sugar, which is enough, especially considering the recommended dose of 6 teaspoons daily for women, by the American Heart Association. This means that ketchup takes up a third of your daily sugar quota. In addition, the distilled vinegar in Heinz ketchup is not healthy, as it is made from transgenic maize, and is openly admissible on Heinz's website. Despite numerous discussions on the effects of genetically modified foods on our health, we have recently found that they are linked to Monsanto's Roundup herbicide, which is used in genetically modified crops.